Hello friends, I'm Erin Hullender. Well, what is one of the secrets to better health? Juicing. What is juicing exactly? Well, it's a method of cleaning the body with liquid. I once heard someone say that juicing is like giving all of your cells in your body a spa day. Doesn't that sound great? When you drink a fresh vegetable juice, for example, you bypass the work of digestion and all of the nutrients goes directly into the cells and begin to work in restoring the body to health. Juice fasting is safer than water fast because poisons in the body are released into the bloodstream more slowly. Juices contain the rebuilding and regenerating elements that the body needs that cannot be found in water. The fruits and vegetables that you can use are really up to you, but I encourage you to keep it simple. You can try green apple, pineapple, carrot, celery, cucumber, or kale. Depending on the constitution of the person and their condition, it is not recommended to extend a juice fast beyond 3 to 5 days without a break in between. When juice fasting, a detoxification process also occurs because any toxins that are stored in the body's fat are dissolved and then removed. That's great news, huh? Psalm 11 verse 3 says, "If the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do?" Did you know that the cells are the foundation of the body? Cells make up tissues. Tissues make up organs. And organ systems makes up the body. So if a person is sick, their body needs nutritional support. And one of the best ways to flood the body with nutrition is juicing. Here are some more benefits. It contributes to lower cholesterol. It eliminates dead cells and toxic waste products that cause sickness and even sluggishness. It can lower the blood pressure. It cleanses the blood vessels of plaque. It gives relief from arthritis, joint pain. It improves insulin sensitivity, which is great news for diabetics. It reboots the immune system, and it helps the body lose some body mass and weight. So this is good if you're holding on to excess weight from the holidays. It can help even in overcoming food addictions like sugar, and it can clear our mind of impurities. You know, juicing doesn't have to be time-consuming or expensive. If you don't own a juicer, that's okay. You can use a blender instead, and then strain the contents over a bowl and collect the juice. Just keep it simple. Try consuming an 8-ounce juice every 2 hours from 8 in the morning until 4 in the evening. You can store your juices in pint jars or mason jars in the freezer or fridge if you don't have the time to make a fresh juice right there on the spot. Usually a juice will last up to 3 days when stored in a cold place. Try juicing carrots, celery, beets, and ginger together. For example, take 5 large carrots, 2 stalks of celery, half of a medium-sized beet, and a knuckle's worth of ginger root. If at all possible, choose organic fruits and vegetables because the non-organic produce is usually heavily sprayed with pesticides, fungicides, and herbicides. If you're looking for a good juicer, you can try the Samson juicer, the Champion juicer, or the Omega juicer. Well, friends, I hope you feel more motivated to juice your fruits and veggies and receive all of the amazing health properties. Go ahead, give yourself a juice challenge. And remember to give thanks to God for all of His benefits toward you, as it says in Psalm 103 verse 1. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you.